Mentre acaba d'afinar la guitarra us aniré explicant. No, no us aniré explicant res. Perquè no. When they poured across the border, I was cautioned to surrender. This I could not do. I took my gun and vanished. I've changed my name so often, and I've lost my wife and children, but I've many friends, and some of them are with me. There were 3 of us this morning, I'm the only one this evening, but I must go on. The frontiers are my prison. An old woman gave us shelter, kept us hidden in the garret. Then the soldiers came. She died without a whisper. Oh, the wind is blowing through the graves, the wind is blowing. Freedom soon will come. Then we'll come from the shadow. Els alemanys han arribat per arreu vençuts i morts, però jo no tinc por. I me'n vaig a la lluita, la lluita. He canviat 100 cops de nom, m'he perdut els fills, la dona, però tinc tants amics. Amics que mai no em deixen. Érem 3 aquest matí, ara resto jo tot sol, però he de seguir. Les fronteres m'empresonen, m'empresonen. Un vellet aquesta nit ens ha dat pa vi i un llit, els alemanys l'han pres. Ella mor sense dir res, no ha dit res. Oh, el vent com bufa entre els morts, el vent com bufa, la llibertat vindrà. Tornarem de les ombres, de les ombres. Oh, el vent com bufa entre els morts, el vent com bufa, la llibertat vindrà. Tornarem de les ombres. Ara ve una cançó que es diu De lettres, les cartes, que és la que dona títol a l'espectacle, del darrer disc Dear Heather, i que diu, aquesta la dic en castellà, de la primera entrada: nunca te gustó recibir las cartas que te mandé, pero ahora entiendes lo esencial de su significado. Ojo. ¿De qué te ríes tú? Claro. You've never lied to get the letters that I've sent. now to got the gist of what my letters meant. You're reading them again, the ones you didn't burn. You press them to your lips, my pages of concern. I said there'd been a flood. I said there's nothing left. I hoped that you would come. I gave you my address. Your story was so long, and the blood was so intense. It took you years to cross the lines of self-defense. The wounded forms appear, the loss, the full extent, and simple kindness here, the solitude of strength. I said there'd been a flood. I said there's nothing left. I hoped that you would come. I gave you my address. You walk into my room. You stand there at my desk. Begin your letter to the one who's coming next. Begin your letter to the one. The one who's coming next. You've never lied to her. The letters that I've sent, you've never lied to her. The letters Són les 4 de la matinada, finals de desembre. T'escric per saber si estàs millor. Fa fred a Nova York, però m'agrada el meu barri. It's 4 in the morning, the end of December. I'm writing you now just to see you better. New York is cold, but I like where I'm living. Music on Clinton Street all through the evening. I hear that you're building your little house in the desert. You're living for nothing now. I hope you're keeping some kind of record. Yes, and Jane came by with a lock of your hair. She said that you gave it to her that night that you planned to go clear. Did you ever go clear? Oh, the last time we saw you, you looked so much older. Your famous blue raincoat was torn at the shoulders. And you've been to the station to meet every train. You came home without Lily Marlene, and you treated my woman to a flake of your life. And when she came back, she was nobody's wife. Well, I see you there with a rose in your teeth, one more thing, gypsy thief. Well, I see Jane's away. She sends her regards, and what can I tell you, my brother, my killer? What can I possibly say? I guess I will miss you, and I guess I'll forgive you. I'm glad that you stood in my way. And if you ever come by here, for Jane or for me, that your enemy is sleeping, his woman is free. Yes, and thanks for the troubles you took from her eyes. I thought it was there for good, so I never tried. Yes, and Jane came by with a look of your hair. She said that you gave it to her that night that you planned to go clear. Sincerely, Earl Cohen. Ja acabarem perquè es va fer tard. Ara farem una cançó que es diu Sisters of Mercy, Germanes de la Caritat, que dedicaré a una persona que no és aquí amb nosaltres, que m'hagués agradat que vingués. Es diu Adrià i no ha pogut venir. Sisters of Mercy, les Hermanas de la Caritat. Y diu: las hermanas de la caridad no han desaparecido. Me esperaban a mí cuando creía que estaba perdido en el camino y no podía seguir. Oh, the sisters of mercy, they are not departed or gone. They were waiting for me when I thought that I just can't go on. And they brought me their comfort, and later they brought me their soul. Oh, I hope you run into them, you've been traveling so long. Yes, you must leave everything that you cannot control. It begins with your family, but soon it comes round to your soul. Well, I've been where you're hanging, and I think I can see how you're pain. When you're not feeling holy, your loneliness says that you've sinned. lay down beside me and I made my confession to them. They both touched my eyes and I touched the dew on their hand. If your life is a leaf that the seasons tear off and come down, they will bind you with love that is graceful and green as a stem. Left, they were sleeping, I hope you ran into them soon. Don't turn the lights, you can read their address by the moon. And you won't make me jealous if I hear that they sweeten